Have you ever wondered how your salsa dancing can survive during COVID-19 lockdown? Have you ever wondered how you can improve without a partner to practice with? We'll answer those questions in this video. But first, welcome to Salsa Goals, where we break down salsa music and dance concepts so that you can build up a strong foundation on the dance floor. So please, hit the subscribe button below and ring the bell next to it for updates on all the latest videos from Salsa Goals. Now, in order to improve at something, we have to practice as much as possible, and salsa dancing is no exception. It doesn't matter if you just started learning or if you have more experience. We all need to keep practicing. But in this age of social distancing, dancing with a partner is out of the question for many of us stuck here at home. So what can we do? Remember that salsa dancing doesn't have to be all about social opportunities. It can also be a learning opportunity. And surprisingly, for those who are focused on the social aspects of dancing, this time at home can give you the opportunity to work on the most important aspect of becoming a great salsa dancer, your foundation. A house can look nice and well built on the outside, but even though you can't see it, the most important part of that house is arguably the foundation on which it was built. Because without a strong foundation, that house might not survive catastrophic weather like storms, or natural disasters like floods, or earthquakes, or even the passing of time as the years go by. Likewise, no one really knows how long it will be until things go back to normal and we can start dancing salsa socially again. But if your salsa dancing skill is going to survive this lockdown, then you'll need to maintain and strengthen your foundation. Because, unlike the foundation of a house, all salsa dancers need to constantly maintain their foundation. But what can you really do without a partner? Well, you can still practice things like the basic salsa footwork step, rhythm, timing, body movement, and so on. Because if these fundamentals are weak, then our dancing will be weak, no matter how complex our turn patterns are. Therefore, please don't let this lockdown kill your love of salsa dancing. Instead, please keep practicing by yourself at home, for that is where a strong foundation is really created. If you want your dancing to reflect your heartfelt passion for salsa music, then remember, home is where the heart is. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and comment below. So until next time, stay safe, stay connected to the music, and keep dancing.